Hello everyone. Good morning. So I hope your Sunday was okay. It was good. Okay, I did not ask you to do anything on Sunday. Anyway, so let's again start our regular work of mathematics. Maybe today will be the last day of this topic. Okay, so topic is already finished, already completed. But there is a task today, heavy task to complete. That is to complete the textbook. Okay, so that we have to do. I'll send you the PDF today. You have to complete the textbook. All the exercises from the textbook you will be completing. It's less, not more. Don't worry. Okay, so let's first of all complete the topic. We have got some questions to finish. The first one, this was asked for you to try. I'm just taking that in front of you. It's so simple. I have to find the value of x in case if it is equals to 3 raised to 7, whatever the question is. So let's start. It is 3 raised to 5x into, see, it's very clear that at your RHS you have base as 3. It is 3 raised to 7. It's looking like 37. Okay, I'll just write it. So it is 3 raised to 7, right? So base is 3. So basically everything whatever you could find here, convert as base 3. Fine. If it is not, bring it. So 81. So 81 is 3 2 is 6 and 3 7 is 3 9 is 3 3 is 3 1 is. Okay, got it. Next. So I have 81 as 3 raised to 4. So 3 raised to 4 raised to 2 into 6 5 6 1. Now let's go for this. It is going to be quite a big number, but let us see with 3 itself. 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3, 3 8 is 24, and 3 7 is 3 7 is 21, 3 2 is 6, and 3 9 is 27. 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12, and 3 3 is 3 8 is 24, 3 1 is. And after 81, you know 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it's going to be 3 raised to 8. Right. Divided by 3 raised to 2x. Is it going to be equal to 3 raised to 7? It's that simple. Correct? Now this is 3 raised to 5x. 3 raised to 4 to 8 into 3 raised to 8 upon 3 raised to 2x. Got it? Is equals to 3 raised to 7. Now let's use laws of indices. 3 raised to 5x plus 8 minus 2x is equals to 3 raised to 7. All is together. Okay? 5x minus 2x is 3 raised to 3x plus 8 16 is equal to 3 raised to 7. So I can equate now. Therefore 3 raised to x is equals to 3x plus 16 is equals to 7. Shifting 16 the other side, I get 3x is equals to 7 minus 16. So it is going to be negative 9. And then x will be equal to minus 3. And that's the answer. Clear? Got it. It's not a big deal. Easy question. Maybe it looks lengthy, but it is easy. K was quite interesting. Very, very interesting. See, base here is 19. So here I have to bring 19, which is really impossible. How can I bring base as 19 for one value? Okay, so that was quite confusing, but it is possible and easy as well. I'll show you. So 19 raised to 5x plus 3, can it be equal to 19 raised to 0? And now 1 is 19 raised to 0. So what do I have? Therefore 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equals to minus 3 by 5. And that's it. So simple. Okay. Same here. 5 raised to x into 3 raised to y is equals to 1 upon 5 raised to 2. तो 5 raised to x into 3 raised to y is equal to 5 raised to minus 2. But I need power of 3 as well. So into 3 raised to 0. Right? So therefore x will be equal to minus 2 and y will be equal to 0. And that's the answers. Okay, these are the easy questions. Very simple. Not at all difficult finding x and y or x value. Clear? Okay. Now let's make things a bit difficult. Now after this, whatever the questions are, those are quite difficult, 8, 9 and 10. And that we will discuss and complete this topic. This is quite interesting. Try to understand. If I have x square is equals to 4, is it so possible to find x value? Yes, it is possible. What do we do? Take root of both the sides. ऐसे बोलते हैं हम लोग. X is equals to 2. That's it, isn't it? But this is the direct way. If I want to simplify it, so what I will do here, x raised to 2 raised to 1 upon 2 I'll do, and same operation I'll do the other side, 1 upon 2. Now what happens, what it makes difference making 1 upon 2, isn't it this 2 and 2 will get cancelled and I get x here. Okay, so to cancel 2 from here, what I do, I give power as 1 upon 2 so that this 2 get cancelled. Clear? Getting? It's so simple thing, so simple concept. So x is equals to, it will be 2 square raised to 1 upon 2 and the answer is 2. So if you have to cancel the power here, give power as its fraction. Okay, so that power get cancelled. It's so easy. Hai na? So imagine if I have a is equals to here b raised to y, right? B is equals to c raised to z and c is equals to a raised to x. How am I supposed to get x, y, z is equals to 1? है ना confusing? Okay, let's get started. करना क्या है? इनमें से कोई भी एक इक्वेशन, आई कॉल दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 1, दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 2 एंड दिस इक्वेशन नंबर 3. Okay, take any one equation. So I'm taking x, first equation, a is equals to b raised to y. What is b? What is b? B is c raised to z. So in place of b I'll write c raised to z. तो c raised to z raised to y. चेक कर लो ठीक से. b is been replaced by c raised to z. ठीक है ना? I'll use laws of indices here. C raised to zy is going to be a is equals to, now what is c? C is equals to a raised to x. So I'm going to again replace c by a raised to x. So a raised to x is in place of c and raised to zy. So what do I get? Therefore a is equals to a raised to x y z, and here the power is 1. So therefore what do I get? X y z is equals to 1. That's it. It's so simple. Okay, if you don't understand, you can just repeat the video again. You will understand. Cool your brain, you will understand everything. Fine, I'll go for the next one. ये तो आप खुद से भी कर सकते हो. That's not the problem. It's a very simple sum. Very very simple sum. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यहाँ पे पावर क्या है? 3 है. फ्रैक्शन क्या है? 3 है. तो ब्रिंग 216 एज पावर ऑफ 3. Power as 3. 216 is 6 raised to 3. 4 upon 6 raised to 3 raised to 2 by 3. Bring 256 as with power 4. 4 है ना वहाँ पे. तो it is 4 raised to 4 raised to 3 by 4. 2 upon 243 5 3 raised to 5 raised to 1 by 5. Okay. So this is going to be 4 upon 3 get cancelled, 6 raised to 2 plus 1 upon 4 get cancelled, 4 raised to 3 plus 2 upon 5 get cancelled, 3. Right? So this is 4 upon 36, 1 upon 64 2 upon 3. Okay, you can add these numbers, there is no problem. After adding, you get your answer done. Okay, that's it. It's not a big deal. It's not a difficult task. Huh? Let's go for the last one. Now this one I have to solve. This type of sums already we have done right in your previous part. ये थोड़ा सा अलग है, बस उतना ही. The difference is it is not the similar category question. So let us see how can we crack it. There are very easy ways also, but that's what you need to remember. Simple LHS RHS concept है. It's not a new question for you. So what can we do? The problem is what can we do here? First of all, power to the power, that means I can multiply, right? So this is going to be x raised to a minus b upon ab, x raised to b minus c upon bc, and x raised to c minus a upon ac. ये हो सकता है. Again we can see there is a product here. I can add the indices. So I get x raised to a minus b upon ab plus b minus c upon bc plus c minus a upon ac. Now this is x raised to. Now to add the numerator, to add the fractions here, isn't I need denominator to be same? Right. And that's why we go for cross multiplication or LCM method. Fine. So what is the common denominator I can have here? Check karo, if I take ABC as a common denominator, ABC as a common denominator, don't you think I need to multiply this by C, this one by C, this one by A, and this by B, right? And that's the way I'm going to do here. I'll be multiplying by C to the first one. I get AC minus BC upon ABC, plus if I multiply by A, I get AB minus AC upon ABC, right? Plus BC minus AB upon ABC. That's it. Okay, now denominators are same. I can add the numerator. Here is ABC. Let's take the numerator. AC minus BC plus AB minus AC plus BC minus AB upon ABC. Right? So check kar lo, we have AB cancel, BC cancel, AC cancel. That means all are getting cancelled. It's going to be 0 upon ABC. So x raised to 0 upon ABC matlab 0. What is x raised to 0? X raised to 0 is equals to 1. And that's your answer. That's it. Okay. I hope you could understand this part. It was really easy, isn't it? So that's it for today. Thank you so much. I'm sending another video which is actually going to just to explain you the exercise, today's homework as well, जो textbook आपको complete करना है. So those exercises explanation I'm going to give you today. So there is another video for that. Thank you so much. Bye bye for this. We'll see you in the next video.